Hello guys, welcome back to Loggery. I hope all of you are doing great, all of you are fine and safe. आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी 5 years LLB एंट्रेंस एग्जाम। तो क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के मॉक टेस्ट जो हैं वो लाइव हो चुके हैं। डायरेक्ट लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। मॉक टेस्ट के साथ आपको जून 2024 से लेकर के मंथ ऑफ द एग्जाम 2025 के करंट अफेयर्स MCQs मॉक टेस्ट के साथ बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल रहे हैं। सो डू एनरोल फॉर द मॉक टेस्ट, लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. It is very important to know how to attempt the mock test and also how to attempt the exam. You attempt the mock test because you are preparing for the day. So this is the plan for the day and practice for the day, right? So that on the day of the exam you feel very normal, you feel very comfortable. And how will you feel comfortable? If you have a plan, if you have practiced that plan again and again. And how will you practice that plan? Through mock tests, right? So firstly, what is the pattern of the exams? There is negative marking in the exam. Each question carries 1 mark for the right answer and negative marking for 0.25 marks. So negative marking of 0.25 marks is there, right? So you have to ensure कि आप negative marking को marks lose out नहीं कर दो. This is very very important. 90 minutes you will get to solve the paper. So time management is equally important. You need to ensure that while you're giving the mock test, you put your own timer, you check your own watch, and you try to complete the paper in 80 minutes, so that even if in the exam there's something up and down, if you are used to completing the paper in 80 minutes, these 10 minutes are going to be of great help. So plan for the day. What is the plan? Solve the paper in 2 rounds. आपको पेपर 2 rounds में solve करना है. First round में whatever you know 100%, you read the question, you know the answer, you mark it, move ahead, right? The questions that are taking more than usual time, you try to solve the answer, nahi ho raha hai, you know it is taking more than usual, you move on to the next question. Now in the second round, questions that you were not able to solve, unanswered questions, so you'll have, just a minute, you will have unanswered questions, right? Now one type of question is going to be the one that was lengthy, you tried to solve, you were not able to solve. Now this you'll try to solve, right? Then next type of question would be wherein you are able to cross out 2 options, you are able to cross out 2 options. And then there are going to be questions you don't know at all, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते, कुछ पता ही नहीं उसके बारे में. एंड देयर कैन बी ऑप्शंस वेयर यू आर एबल टू क्रॉस आउट 1 option. ये क्वेश्चंस रह जाएंगे, राइट? Now what will happen when you go through the question in the second round, the questions in the second round, you'll see questions that you were not able to solve in first round, maybe because you were worried what will happen, but now you have gone through the questions, whatever you knew you have done. Now in the second round you know that okay, these questions are the bonus questions, right? Now you will find so many questions of which you were not able to find the answer in the first round, but you are able to answer in the second maybe this lengthy question which required more time. Now you know that you can give that time because you have gone through the questions once. Cross out 2 options. Now what is this? Since there is negative marking, 0.25 marks की negative marking है, ठीक है ना? तो probability कहती है कि अगर 2 options आप cross out कर पा रहे हो और 2 में से तुक्का मारते हो तो इतने guess work में correct होने के answers के chances है. तो हम ये वाले क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करेंगे. बट हम कौन से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे? बिग नो कौन से, जिनको मुझे नहीं पता मैं उनको नहीं छेड़ूंगी. जिनका एक ऑप्शन क्रॉस आउट होता है वो मुझे नहीं सॉल्व करने. तो मुझे लेंदी वाले अगर निकल पा रहे हैं वो निकालूंगी, अगर जो 2 ऑप्शन क्रॉस आउट हो पा रहे हैं वो वाले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगी, ये वाले क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व करने हैं, right? So this is what you have to do, and you have to practice this while you're solving the mocks. How to practice these things? Attempt mocks. You can attempt mocks from, this is the link for Christ University's mock test. Apply these tricks while solving the mocks. If you have any queries, like after applying the tricks, you can message me on Instagram कि हमने ये किया, these are the problems that I'm facing, what I should do. I will answer to your queries. Analyze the mock test. Okay, if you want a fresh video on how to analyze, I will do the video, because through this analysis you'll get to know which are your weak topics, how you have to work on the topics, all of that. And if you want me to do a revision video that how you should revise for Christ University, you can comment down below. I would love to come up with a video, right? some things that you have to tell yourself. I'm okay with skipping questions because there is negative marking. So this is a very common thing. Students, they know the answer of the questions, but then once they're done with those questions, they tend to try to attempt questions of which they are not aware, and they end up losing marks. So this you don't have to do. But this, when you experience in the mock test, no, when you experience ki ha ye maine kiya, when you do it and when you feel the pain, you feel the pain in the mock test, I'm sure you're not going to commit the same mistake during the exam, right? I won't mark the answer of the question of which I am not aware of. अगर मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता, मुझे उसके बारे में पता ही नहीं है कुछ भी, तो मैं नहीं करूँगा solve. My aim is to solve the questions of which I know the answer 100% and of which I'm able to cross out two options. I won't run behind the number of questions that I have solved. Now, a lot of videos are going to go up on YouTube. Number of questions that you need to solve in this so and so exam. Look, the exam can be super easy. The exam can be normal easy. The exam can be moderate. The exam can be difficult, and on these things depends that then what an average average number of questions that the students should have attempted. ये एनालिसिस करने बैठोगे वहाँ पे आपकी, यार ये पेपर मॉडरेट है, डिफिकल्ट है, सुपर इजी है, नहीं ना. सो व्हाट शुड बी योर एम? योर एम शुड बी दैट आई हैव टू सॉल्व 100% वाले क्वेश्चंस, और जिसमें मैं 2 ऑप्शंस क्रॉस आउट कर पा रहा हूँ वो क्वेश्चंस, और जो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आते हैं या जिसमें 1 ऑप्शन ही क्रॉस आउट हो रही है वो मुझे नहीं छेड़ने हैं. सो गाइज, आई होप दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. प्लीज़ इसको अप्लाई करना इन ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स को मॉक टेस्ट में. मॉक टेस्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. कोई भी वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट है वो भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बता सकते हैं, और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मुझे डीएम कर सकते हैं. इंस्टा पर मैं आई एम लॉगरी के नाम से हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. एंड येस, अगर आपको वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट में हाउ टू रिवाइज वाली वीडियो चाहिए या फिर हाउ टू एनालाइज द मॉक टेस्ट वाली वीडियो चाहिए, तो आप कमेंट्स में मुझे बता सकते हो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.